News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in IRCON International Limited, Banda University of Agriculture and Technology, Pipelines Division of Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Directorate General, National Security Guard, National Investigation Agency, and Lady Hardinge Medical College and Srimati S.K. Hospital. IRCON International Limited is a premier Schedule A infrastructure government company under the Ministry of Railways engaged in the construction of turnkey infrastructure projects in railways, highways, buildings, power sector, etc. The company has recorded a turnover of more than 5,200 crores in the year 2019-20. The company has successfully completed large value railway and highway projects over the years in India and abroad, including Malaysia, Bangladesh, Algeria, Iraq, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, Turkey, Nepal, etc., and recently in Sri Lanka. The company invites applications for the following regular posts in various disciplines. 2 posts of Deputy General Manager, Civil Highways, E4. 2 posts of Deputy General Manager, Civil Buildings, E4. 20 posts of Assistant Manager, Civil, E1. 1 post of Joint General Manager, Electrical, E5. 3 posts of Deputy General Manager, Electrical, E4. 6 posts of Assistant Manager, Electrical, E1, 2 posts of Joint General Manager, Finance, E5, 2 posts of Manager, Finance, E3, 3 posts of Assistant Manager, Finance, E1, and 1 post of Deputy Manager, Legal, E2. For eligibility criteria and application format, please visit the detailed advertisement on the website www.ircon.org. Last date of receipt of hard copy of applications in IRCON's office is 29th January 2021. Banda University of Agriculture and Technology, Banda, Uttar Pradesh invites applications along with prescribed application fee for the following posts. In College of Agriculture, the vacancies are 1 post of Associate Professor, Agricultural Economics, 1 post of Associate Professor, Genetics and Plant Breeding, 1 post of Assistant Professor, Agricultural Economics, 1 post of Assistant Professor, Agricultural Extension, and 1 post of Assistant Professor, Entomology. In College of Horticulture, the vacancies are 1 post of Associate Professor, Fruit Science, 1 post of Associate Professor, Entomology, 1 post of Assistant Professor, Fruit Science, 1 post of Assistant Professor, Floriculture and Landscaping, 2 posts of Assistant Professor, Post-Harvest Technology, and 1 post of Assistant Professor, Biochemistry. In College of Forestry, the vacancies are 1 post of Professor, Silviculture or Agroforestry, 1 post of Associate Professor, Silviculture or Agroforestry, 2 posts of Associate Professor, Forest Biology and Tree Improvement, 2 posts of Associate Professor, Forest Product Utilization, 1 post of Associate Professor, Forestry, 1 post of Associate Professor, Agronomy, 1 post of Assistant Professor, Statistics, and 1 post of Assistant Professor, Forest Product Utilization. In College of Home Science, the vacancies are 1 post of Professor, Home Science Extension Education and Communication Management, 1 post of Associate Professor, Human Development and Family Studies, 1 post of Associate Professor, Food Science and Nutrition, 1 post of Assistant Professor, Human Development and Family Studies, 1 post of Assistant Professor, Family Resource Management, and 2 posts of Assistant Professor, Textile and Apparel Designing. The details of the same may be seen in the vacancy circular at the university website www.buat.edu.in. Closing date of applications is 30th January 2021, 5 p.m. Pipelines Division of Indian Oil Corporation Limited invites applications from eligible Indian nationals for non-executive vacancies in various locations of Pipelines Division in the post of engineering assistant, electrical, mechanical, telecommunication and instrumentation and operations, and technical attendant in states of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. For exact number of vacancies, please refer to the website notification at www.iocl.com or plis.indianoilpipelines.in. For detailed notification, please visit www.iocl.com in the section Indian Oil for You, Indian Oil for Careers, latest job openings. Last date for receipt of online applications at plis.indianoilpipelines.in is 15th January 2021. All future announcements shall be published only in IOCL website. It shall not be made available on any other website or medium. Candidates are advised to visit IOCL website from time to time for updates on the notification. Directorate General National Security Guard, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India requires services of specialist medical officers in its composite hospital at Manesar, Gurugram, Haryana in the following fields of specialization on contractual basis. One post of gynecology and obstetrics and one post of radiology. Eligible and interested male and female candidates may attend walk-in interview for engagement as specialist medical officers in National Security Guard on 18th January 2021, 1100 hours as per schedule. National Investigation Agency, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India invites nominations for the following legal posts on deputation, ISTC or absorption basis. One post of Deputy Legal Advisor, one post of Senior Public Prosecutor and one post of Public Prosecutor. The eligibility criteria, including educational qualification, experience, etc., are furnished in Annexure 1A, 1B and 1C and is available at National Investigation Agency website www.nia.gov.in/recruitmentnotice.htm. Candidates who apply for the post will not be allowed to withdraw their candidature subsequently. The nominations of eligible and willing officers should reach the concerned person through proper channel within 2 months from the date of publication of this item in Employment News. The eligibility criteria and application form as well as recruitment rules are also available on the National Investigation Agency website www.nis.gov.in/recruitmentrules.htm. Lady Harding Medical College and Srimati S.K. Hospital, Directorate General of Health Services, Government of India invites applications to fill up one post of Assistant Accounts Officer on deputation basis. Last date of receiving applications is 60 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in Employment News. For details, log in to website lhmc-hosp.gov.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.